Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tech accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of wireless earbuds with the COMFOM Earbuds Bluetooth headphones. Let's see if these earbuds live up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design. The COMFOM earbuds feature a sleek and minimalist design, available in a crisp white color. They're lightweight, ergonomic, and boast an IPX5 sweat-proof rating, making them perfect for workouts or outdoor activities. Now, let's delve into the features. These earbuds support wireless charging, allowing for convenient powering up on any compatible charging pad. Plus, with the included Type-C quick charge cable, you'll never have to wait long to get back to your favorite tunes. Pairing these earbuds with your device is a breeze thanks to Bluetooth 5.0 technology. Simply open the charging case, and they'll automatically connect to your device. Plus, with both binaural and mono modes, you can enjoy stereo sound or use a single earbud for calls or music. But what about sound quality? Powered by a 10mm speaker driver unit, these earbuds deliver immersive sound with rich bass and clear treble. Whether you're listening to your favorite playlist or taking a call, you'll enjoy crystal clear audio every time. Now, let's talk about battery life. The COMFOM earbuds offer an impressive 35 hours of playtime with the charging case. That means you can enjoy music all day long without worrying about running out of juice. But don't just take my word for it. Users love these earbuds for their comfortable fit, long-lasting battery life, and excellent sound quality. Whether you're at the gym, the office, or on the go, these earbuds are sure to impress. So, are the COMFOM earbuds Bluetooth headphones worth it? Absolutely. With their sleek design, convenient features, and exceptional sound quality, they're a must-have for any music lover or tech enthusiast. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Until next time, happy listening.